Hi folks, Nick McGinnis here with Meadow Green Farm, and today I wanted to do a little video on a tip that I have on how to eliminate disaster or your cows getting loose when you're managing rotational grazing using these temporary fences. So once the cows get used to you moving them every day, twice a day, when they see you coming to start moving the fence or set up a fence, they're going to get quite excited. And so when you're moving the cows, you're handling the electric fence, so obviously it's turned off. So you want to make sure that when you go to lift up this fence and move them, it can be a quick transition and you already have your other fence set up. So we set that up this morning, and that's kind of the basis of this tip. We want to get your next move perimeter fence set up well in advance of moving them, so when you show up at the end of the day to move the cows and they're excited, all you have to do is unhook the fence at this end and move them through. Then what we'll do after the cows are moved through, we'll close this back off so they can't get through. What they grazed this morning, we want to rest for at least 3 weeks. We close this off, then we reel up our back fence that we were using this morning, and we set that up for tomorrow morning's move. So just doing that quick little trick can save a lot of disaster. When I started doing this a few years ago, I would arrive there in the evening to move the cows, and I would start setting up the fence, and the cows would be pacing back and forth, getting excited about the fresh grass. All it takes is one cow to move through, get pushed through by another one. Now your fence is down, and now the cows actually, which have probably touched the fence to find out it's electric, now they're being shown that the fence is actually no harm at all. Now you have to really retrain them to the temporary fence. So that's just a short tip, something I picked up over the last couple of years of doing rotational grazing. And let's see if we can get a couple clips here of actually moving the cows. In the morning, and we're all set. It's been a dry spring this year, so we're really focusing on conserving as much plant matter behind us as possible, just to help retain the little soil moisture we have.